This is our tabletop exercise scenario. Threat of an asteroid impact on the Earth's surface, somewhere along an impact corridor stretching from the Caspian Sea to Central Europe and Britain. Geology students undertook the roles of institutional and social bodies such as United Nations, European Union, the state government, mass media and the general public, social agencies and stakeholders. Purpose: to obtain assessments and proposals from the student teams based on the role they undertook across various phases of the crisis. The teams were appointed the following tasks. 1. Describe the fundamental values, principles, and the mission and objectives of their role. 2. For the phase of uncertain information during the first few months after asteroid detection, conduct risk assessments and outline an initial action plan. 3. For the second phase, of defined general impact area and possible magnitude of consequences, conduct risk assessments and develop strategy and measures for the few years remaining time prior to impact. 4. For the final impact phase, outline emergency planning and assess consequences, collateral damage, and response. In the following videos, the results will unfold a fascinating story. Stay tuned for more.